In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Gaming Overlay error on your Windows 11 PC. First, open the Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Then click to open it. In the Registry Editor window, expand the HKY_current_user folder. Next, open the Software folder, scroll down, and expand Microsoft. From there, find and expand the Windows folder, then open Current Version. Inside this section, look for a folder named Game DVR. Click on it. No need to expand it. At the top, you should see a file called App Capture Enabled. Double-click it and change the value data from 1 to 0, then click OK. If you don't see this file, right-click in the empty white space, select New, DWORD, 32-bit, Value, and name it App Capture Enabled. After creating it, double-click the file and set the value data to 0, then click OK. Once you've completed these steps, the error should be fixed. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video.